How to find Groupon promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna see the search box. Type in Groupon promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. Once you're on this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Groupon. Just scroll down and check out the offers. You can see that 70% off, $20 off, $50 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you will get the code for it. Once you get the code, you can copy the code, then click on Redeem at Groupon. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the official website of it, log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you'll find this section of codes. Only you type in the code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Groupon. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working promo code for Groupon. So this is how you can easily find Groupon promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.